This is my dissected sheep brain. On the outside of the brain, I didn't get an outer layer of matter. It came cut off, so it would be the dura mater on top, and in between the arachnoid matter, and on the innermost layer is the pia mater, which contains all the blood vessels connecting to the brain. Also on the outside of the brain is called gray matter, and then on the outside inside it's called white matter around this area. Also on the outside of the brain you can find gyri or gyrus, which is these right here, and then in between them it is called sulcus, which is in between the grooves. And then this is called the cerebellum right here, and then right here is called the cerebrum, and up here is called the cerebrum cortex. And the cortex is the outer portion of the cerebrum. We can also find on the inside the medulla, which is located right here, and the spinal cord is right here. The medulla controls the centers for your blood pressure and your respiration and heart rate. It also controls your reflex centers such as sneezing and coughing. And then right next to the medulla is the pons. The pons function is to connect the cerebellum with other parts of the brain. And then right next to the pons is called the midbrain right here. And then right next to the midbrain is the hypothalamus right here. And this little jut right here is called the olfactory bulb. Or this jut right here is the olfactory bulb, and it helps the olfactory nerves connect. And then you can also find on the inside the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is the huge amount of nervous tissue that connects your two hemispheres of the brain, the left and right. And then you can also find on the inside the thalamus right here. And the thalamus's function is to serve as a sensory relay center. It's where all the nerves and impulses go, and it's sent to the right portion of the brain. And then on the inside you can also find the cerebral aqueduct, which connects the third and fourth ventricles, and it is right here. This is the fourth ventricle right here, and this is the third ventricle. And you can also find right there called the penile body, and that function is to secrete hormones like melatonin. It's an endocrine gland. And then you can also find the cranial nerves on the outside of the brain as well. Thank you.